In today's fast-paced world, moving out of a property swiftly while ensuring the return of your security deposit can seem daunting. But fear not, as we delve into the rapid move-out strategy designed to beat the clock and save your deposit. Whether you're moving to a new city or simply relocating across town, adhering to a systematic approach will save you time, money, and a whole lot of stress. Let's start by tackling the primary concern for most tenants, the security deposit. The secret to securing a full refund lies in meticulous planning and preparation. Begin by examining your lease agreement thoroughly. Often these documents contain specific move-out procedures or obligations that, if unmet, could lead to deductions. Be informed about the notice period you need to give, usually 30 days, but it could vary. Ensure you provide this in writing or through any formal communication methods your landlord prefers. Now let's turn to decluttering and packing. Begin with a well-structured timeline. Dedicate specific days to sorting through your belongings. Organize your things into categories: keep, donate, sell or toss. This will streamline the packing process and reduce unnecessary clutter, making your move much more efficient. As you pack, clearly label your boxes with the contents and the room to which they belong. This will prove invaluable during unpacking. Cleaning might just be the most crucial aspect of the move-out process if you want to save on deductions. A spotless property speaks volumes. Depending on the size of the home, allocate a day or two solely for deep cleaning. Pay special attention to areas often left neglected, like behind large appliances, inside cabinets, and baseboards. Use appropriate cleaning supplies to tackle stubborn stains, and remember, meticulous attention to detail, such as clean bathroom tiles and spotless windows, often sways the landlord's assessment in your favor. To further stack the odds in your favor, schedule a pre-move-out walkthrough with your landlord. This proactive step can illuminate problematic areas that need your attention. It is an opportunity for the landlord to highlight potential deductions, allowing you to address them beforehand. Document the property's condition through photographs and videos. This visual proof can serve as evidence if there's a dispute over the property's condition. As we wrap up, remember that a successful rapid move-out is more than just speed. It's about being comprehensive and organized in your approach. Stick to your timeline, give due diligence to each task, and you'll not only find the process smoother, but also significantly boost the chances of reclaiming your deposit in full. With these strategies in hand, you can confidently face the clock and conquer the move-out process with ease. Thank you for watching, and good luck with your move.